Better balance with stronger thighs. A lot of my clients struggle with balance, especially as they get older, especially those also who sit all day. Balance is not just your core, but your legs as well. Come onto your mat with your legs straight. We're going to start off with some celibate pose. So this is a very, very advanced pose, but we're not going to do it. We can just do the preparation for it. You're going to try and keep your torso 90 degrees. Okay. And we're going to lift the left leg. You can point the toes or flex the foot, whatever your body wants to do. Just lift it a little bit off the floor. Inhale and exhale down. You'll feel if you lift it, your body would want to go back. Try and keep onto the 90 degrees. Okay. And we're going to alternate. We're going to do left, right, left, right. Okay. So let's go. And it is inhale and exhale. Inhale on the right and exhale. And try and keep the legs straight so the kneecap is lifted. The knees are not bent. Keep going. That's 5. We're going to do 5 more. Very good. And relax. Now we're going to continue with the same thing, but this time we're going to hold it. So you're going to lift the kneecap, the thigh muscle is going to be activated, and we're going to hold it and try and stay 90 degrees. And we lift the right leg up, leg is straight, and hold it. And exhale down. Very good. So I lift the leg just about 10 centimeters or 12 centimeters from the floor, so it's not very high. You can lift it higher if you want to. Okay, and the other side, inhale up and hold it. Core is engaged. Exhale down. So we hold it for about 30 seconds each. Okay. When you're done, just shake your legs, give them a shake, and bring the legs around. And we're gonna go up for the next. So press into the knees, tuck your toes, press into the hands, and slowly come into a forward fold and roll up. Okay, let's come standing. Now, whenever you go into a squat, these are things to protect your back and your knees. The knees must always be over the feet, never fall in. Doesn't matter how wide the knees must never fall in. They must always try and stay over the ankles. Other thing is the buttocks. The tailbone is not out. It's slightly tucked in. So basically just your core is engaged. Everybody's body is different, so you just tucked it in as much as you can. Just engage your core. That's all you have to do. Okay, so we're going to start off with our feet together, and we're going to go into chair. So just pretend there's a chair behind you and you're going to sit on the chair. So inhale, and as you exhale, bring the arms up next to the ears and the tailbone is tucked in. If your knees can't come together, then a little bit away, is okay, but otherwise together. And we hold it, and you come out when you had enough. And we're going to take the right arm and we're going to make rotations into the shoulder joint. So take the right arm, rotate it as far back as you can and back to its original position, and again. Very good. And we change direction, we're going back. Keep the core engaged. And now we're going to rotate the left arm. And we're going the other way. Just warming up the shoulders. Very good. And now we're going to pretend we're going to sit on a chair, and you're just going to tap the chair with your buttocks and come back to, and again. And we're going to try for 10. It's a slow movement. Very good. And hold it. You can come up, shake the legs if you had enough, and then join in again. If your arms get tired, you can bring them lower down or on the hips. And again, we're going to sit down. 1, 2, and we hold it. And inhale, straighten the legs, and exhale, arms down. Take a deep breath in and sigh through your mouth. Very good. Give the legs a shake. And we're gonna go into Warrior One now. Bring your ankles under the hips. We're gonna go into Warrior One a little bit different. It's a low squat on one leg, so you have to keep your balance. Bend both knees, arms up. Take your weight onto the right leg and take the left leg, and very slowly we step as far back as we can into Warrior One. If this is too deep for you, bring the back foot a bit forward so the front knee is less bent. This is too easy, you go lower down. Back leg is straight, front knee is bent. We're on the toes at the back and the arms next to the ears. You can look up if you want to, or forward. And from here, we're going to inhale and we're going to straighten both legs so the front knee gets straightened. And as you exhale, bend both knees and bring the left knee as close to the floor as you can, but not on the floor. And inhale up. Keep your balance, engage your core, legs strong. And exhale. Inhale. Keep going. Very good. Back into Warrior One, and we're going to step forward with the left foot, hands down. Very good. And we're going to do the other side. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out through your mouth. As you sigh out, relax your shoulders, relax the chest. You're going to step back with the right leg. So inhale, arms up. Exhale, bend the knees. Weight onto the left one, lift the right foot. Slowly take the right foot back into Warrior One. Try to do the same on this side as you did on the other side. And we're going to go for 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, and all the weight, step forward, hands down. Well done. Take a deep breath in and side out. Relax the shoulders, the back, the ribs. Very good. Now I want you to bring your legs as wide as the mat. And inhale, arms up. And exhale, come as low as you can with the buttocks in line with the knees. Knees do not fall in. Keep them over the feet. If you can't go that low, it's okay to come here. Just remember to activate the core and the arms next to the ears. And we look at the floor. And when you had enough, inhale with the arms coming with, and exhale down. Very good. If you struggle to come from here to push out of that position, then you know it's very, very weak, your legs. If you need to press into the floor to come up, then you really need to exercise your legs more. I also think you need to focus at one leg at a time. Everything we've done now is 2 legs together. Bring the ankles under the hips. Bring your weight onto the left leg. Lift the right leg up. Bend the knee as much as you can. And just step back with the right. And step back to the front. Straighten the legs. Bend and step. So the left leg needs to take all the weight. It needs to keep the balance and step back. The slower you do it, the more difficult it is. Okay. You can start off with holding onto the wall for support. So bend, lean onto the wall, and then step. So you're holding the wall and step back. But it's a big difference if you don't hold onto something. Bend, lift the right leg, and maybe wait here for 1, 2, 3, and then put the leg down. And coming back slowly, 1, 2, 3, and then come up. Okay, let's do the other side. Right, weight on the right leg. And bend, left leg up, and 1, 2, 3, down, and back, 1, 2, 3, and straighten up. Let's do, how many did we do on the other side? Let's do 3 more. Down, hold it, slowly step out to the back, and then slowly step back. You will feel it's not just the thighs that's activating, you will also have the glutes engaging. If you sit a lot, there's a hip stabilizer in here. It will be very weak and you will start feeling it because it stabilizes you not to lose your balance. I think 2 more. And the left leg up. Feel the stabilizing in the leg, in the ankle, and the glutes, and your core is engaged. So you must be very aware of your body. And step back. And straighten the legs. And again, last one. One leg is extremely important. And step back and come up. We have to work on those stabilizers in the hips and the leg, especially as you get older. Tip of the day. So the tip while you're in your yoga class and you are doing a high lunge or a warrior, Let me go this way so you can see. Warrior one. The more your feet are in line with each other, okay, the more difficult it's going to be for your balance. So if you're a beginner, take your feet wider. Right leg goes more to the right, the left foot more to the left. So you have a wider stance sideways, okay, and you'll feel it's a lot easier. And once you get stronger, you can move the feet a little bit closer. Okay, so that's for your high lunges, especially if you have to transition from a high lunge and come up into warrior one. I find a lot of people have problem with that as well. So we are all fine, we are in high lunge, everything is great, and as soon as they need to come up, the power just went off. I was so sorry. Then it's very hard for them because this leg needs to take all the power. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Please give me a thumbs up. And if this is the first time you are here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And my name is Al, and I'm from yogagangeya.com. And thank you so much for watching. Ariyo Tat Sat.